Hello students, it's pleasure to announce you that a quiz competition named as Tech Tycoons is going to held on 27th of November 2020 at 12:30 p.m. on Google Meet. So this is basically a computer quiz competition, and in this competition there is basically 3 rounds. Number 1 round, 2 questions will be asked from each participant and both the questions are compulsory, and those participants who are unable to answer both the question correctly, he or she will be eliminated. In round 2, this is basically a scoring round, and in this particular round 3 questions for each participant, and there is no negative marking. For each question there will be 15 seconds and you have to answer all the 3 questions correctly. On the basis of marks, we will decide that who is going further for the next level, that means the round 3. And in the round 3, this is basically negative marking round, in which there is 2 questions for each participant, and whosoever who answer incorrectly the asked question, 1 marks will be deducted. So be careful for that. In this particular quiz competition, Tech Tycoon, we are asking fundamentals of computers, generations of computers, input and output devices, utility softwares, application softwares, operating systems, and internet and cyber security, which I instruct you in the past couple of days. So be prepared for this competition, and those who are interested in this competition will send your name on WhatsApp or in the communication section of Edunix. So I am waiting for your enrollment. All the best.